Hey, I'm Randy with BBQGuys. Today we're going to be checking out the Nuke Delta Argentinian grill. This thing is super fun to cook on, and you just gotta love grilling over wood fire. Let's get to it.
The Nuke Delta is perfect for anyone that loves to play with fire. Argentine grill designs are all about enjoying the traditional process of cooking a meal over wood fire. Being able to have direct access to manipulate your coals makes this an immersive experience. The fuel for the Nuke grill is lit here and maintained in this firebox on the right. This allows you to constantly burn wood, creating an ember bed to pull from for whatever you choose to cook. For further temperature adjustment, the left side of the Delta has this lever for raising and lowering the cooking grates. Whether you want to sear right over the coals or cook a bit slower on a higher level, there's a lot of versatility with this grill. I wanted to put the cooking abilities of the Nuke to the test, so I picked up this 3-inch thick tomahawk steak. I started off on the lowest grid setting to get a good sear over the entire steak. With a steak this size, I needed to finish it off with a lower temp, so I raised the grids to a higher setting. With the interior being lined with refractory brick, this grill distributes a good amount of heat even when the coals are indirect. What I love about this grill is even though I was cooking with indirect heat at this point, I could still roll the steak over the direct heat of the coals on the perimeter to help render some excess fat. Oh, look at that. Both sides got a solid crust. This came out pretty. Next up, I roasted a whole chicken and some spiral sausage. With large items like this, it's nice to not have to totally rearrange your food to get the cooking environment you want. It's as easy as just shifting the coal bed where you want it. The Nuke Delta does have a lid for times you want more of a slow roasting environment. I liked having this when it came to cooking the chicken and sausage all the way through. With this lower heat roast, I was able to brown the sausage nicely without uncontrollable heat breaking the casing. And you know, I've been looking for an excuse to make some chimichurri, so I loaded up the grill with some nice skirt steak. To add even more versatility to this grill, the Nuke Delta comes with this grill plate that sits directly over the firebox. Perfect for sautéing these vegetables or anything suited for flat-top cooking. If you find yourself entertaining and needing to keep things warm, the Nuke Delta has this warming box beneath the main cooking area. I was able to keep the steak and bread warm until the veggies were ready. Then piled on some steak, grilled peppers, and finished them off with a squeeze of lime and chimichurri. Now this was good eating. To aid in your cooks, this fire poker and ash shovel come included with the Nuke Delta.
Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions about Nuke grills or their products, give us a call or visit online. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content. And remember, at BBQGuys, we smoke the competition.